morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. Now today we are going to start unit 14 simple present and present continuous tense. So in the English subject there also we have seen simple present tense and present continuous tense, past tense and future tense also. But in the GE there is also the separate unit for present tense, simple present and present continuous tense. First we will see this chapter till 14, this chapter is for your exam and your exam is very near in the next week only. So we just have to complete this syllabus before your exam. So I am just taking this unit 14 and in the last video we have completed our unit 13 verb, transitive, intransitive and linking verbs. Exercise also we have completed about unit 13. Now let's start our unit 14 simple present tense and present continuous tense. First we'll see the present simple present tense. When we use the simple present tense, so we use simple present tense to show the habits, routine, regular actions, the regular work which you do every day, to show the habits, to show the regular action and to show the general truth. And the formula is for the simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus yes or es plus object. This is the formula of the simple present tense. We take subject, we take after subject verb 1. When the subject is singular, that time we add yes or es to the verb, and when the subject is plural, so we just take the first form of the verb and then object. So when we use the simple present tense, we use the simple present tense to show habits, regular action and general truth. Yes, for if you are having some habits, to show that, to say that, we use the simple present tense. Even for the regular actions also we use the simple present tense, and for the general truth we use simple present tense. Now I write here some examples and we'll add that example in this formula. First we'll take the subject she. First I take the general truth. She is 4 years old. This is the general truth. She is 4 years old. Now the regular action I write, I go to school. This is the regular action which we do every day. I go to school. She is 4 years old. So this is the general truth. And I go to school. This is the regular action. And to show the habit, I dance. No, I just change the subject here. He and write here. She we have taken already as a subject. He dances. Daily. So this is our subject, this is our verb, and this is our verb. Object is not there. This is the intransitive verb, because intransitive verb sometimes many of the times intransitive verb there is no need of object. Then also the sentence is completed. He dances daily. We added here es because he is the singular, and when the subject is singular that time we use s or es to the main verb. So she is 4 years old. I go to school. It shows the regular action, and she is 4 years old. It is the general truth. He dances daily. It's a habit. It shows the habit. So these examples I have written on the board just to show the simple present tense, and this is the formula of simple present tense: subject plus V1 plus object. So student, you just note down this all in your notebook. Then we will see the present continuous tense. Now simple present tense we have seen to show the habits, regular action and to say the general truth. Now let us see the present continuous tense. So I hope you have written this, so I just write about the present continuous tense. Now the present continuous tense, when we use present continuous tense, we use present continuous tense to show the action, the activity that is happening now, to show the activity, the action that is happening now. Or we use present continuous tense to show the action is going on right now and the action is happening right now. That means that time to show the activity that is happening now, that is going on now, we use the present continuous tense. And what is the formula of present continuous tense? Subject plus am, is, are according to the subject plus V1 and we add ing to the main verb plus object. This is the formula of present continuous tense. What we do? We use the helping verbs, we use the auxiliary verb in the present continuous tense to show the action is happening now and to show the action is going on. So, subject plus am, is, are, we use am for I, we use is for the singular person, for the singular subject, and we use are for the plural subject. So, subject plus am, is, are according to the subject plus verb plus ing plus object. So, this is the formula of present continuous tense. Now, let us see some examples of present continuous tense. A baby is crying. The baby is crying. This is the subject, this is helping verb, and this is verb, and we add here ing. So, the baby is crying, that means the crying action is happening right now. The crying action is going on right now. So, a baby is crying means action abhi shuru hai. To show the activity that is happening now, we use the present continuous tense, and here the example of present continuous tense, a baby is crying. Now, the second example I write, she is eating an apple. Three, they are planting trees. So, here is the subject, here is the subject, this is the helping verb, eating, planting, these are the verb and ing. So, to show the action is happening now and to show the action is continuing going on, we use the present continuous tense, and this is the formula, and these are the example of present continuous tense. So, student, you just note down this formula and these examples in your notebook. Now, I hope student you have written this. Now, there is the focus exercise. Read these sentences, say whether each one is the simple present SP or present continuous PC tense. Now, 5 sentences are there in the focus exercise A, and we just have to identify whether the sentence is in present continuous or in simple present. So, I just write all the examples sentences on the board and we will solve the focus exercise A. We just have to identify whether it is simple present tense or present continuous tense. For simple present tense, we have to write SP, and for present continuous tense, we have to write PC. So the first example is, I go to my dance class every evening. I go to my dance class every evening. The second sentence is, Sheila is painting a picture in her art class. In her art class. Now the third sentence is there. The clown is juggling 5 balls. The clown is juggling 5 balls. Now 4 number, I have cereal for breakfast. For breakfast. Now the fifth one is, I am making a card for my best friend's birthday. Best friend's birthday. Now these 5 sentences are there in your textbook and the same sentences I have written on the board. Now let's identify whether it is simple present or whether the sentence is in present continuous tense. So the first sentence is, I go to my dance class every day. That means the regular action is written there. So for the regular action we use simple present tense. So what we have to write there beside it, SP means simple present tense. Sheila is painting a picture in her art class. Is painting, that means the action is happening now, and when we show the action is happening now, so that is the present continuous tense. So which tense it is? PC, present continuous tense. Now the third sentence, the clown is juggling 5 balls. So is, we use am, is are helping verbs and V1 ing in the present continuous tense, and here the same verb phrase we can see is juggling. The clown is juggling 5 balls, that means the action is going on over there, and to show the action is going on we use present continuous tense. Now the fourth one sentence, I have cereal for breakfast. That means this is the general truth, and for the general truth we use simple present, that means SP. Now the fifth one sentence is, I am making a card for my best friend's birthday. Am making, this verb phrase is from the present continuous tense. Am is are plus V1 ing. So am plus V1 make and ing, making a card for my best friend's birthday. So this sentence is also present continuous PC. So student, you just note down this in your notebook and please note it here also. The bracket is given there for writing SP and PC. You just note this all over there. Now the next exercise is practice exercise. The practice exercise, 8 sentences are there, and what is instruction I just read. Put the verb in the brackets in the correct form, either using the simple present or the present continuous tense. So this practice exercise is your homework. I write here practice exercise. This practice exercise your homework. Let's do the extension exercise. Extension exercise A. Complete the sentences using the simple present or the present continuous tense form. Now sentences are there and 2 verbs options are also there. We just have to write over there the correct verb phrase. So I hope this one you have written. So I just rub and let's do the extension exercise A. Practice A is your homework, and right now we are doing the extension exercise, focus exercise we have completed. Now what is in the first sentence? She blank space reading on beach. Reading on the beach. 2 option is there, A likes and B is liking. So she likes reading on beach. So what will come here? Here will come likes. Now the second sentence, the sack blank space a lot, and 2 option is there, waits and is waiting. So the option is the sack waits a lot. Now the third one, I blank space to school at 7 a.m. every day. So I blank space to school at 7 a.m. every day. So what will come at here? This is the regular action is going on. So 2 options are there, go and I am going. So to show the regular action we use the simple present tense. Then what will come there? Go only. I go to school at 7 a.m. every day. Now the fourth one, what are you doing? What are you doing? I blank space for the market to open. For market to open. Now 2 options are there. What are you doing? I wait for the market to open, or B, I am waiting. So option B is correct. I am waiting. I am waiting for market to open. Now the fifth one is water blank space at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now two options are there, freeze and is freezing. So A option is correct, freeze. Water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. So here we have completed extension exercise A also. She likes reading on beach. Sat wakes a lot. 3. I go to school at 7 a.m. every day. 4. What are you doing? I am waiting for market to open. 5. Water freeze at 32 degree Fahrenheit. So here we have completed focus exercise A, extension exercise A, and practice exercise A is your homework. So here we have completed unit 14, simple present and present continuous tense. So you just note down this all in the notebook. So I hope student you have understood when to use present simple present tense and when to use present continuous tense. All the exercises we have completed, only the focus only the practice exercise A is your homework. Focus we have completed, extension we have completed. Now we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.